It is possible to make money with Chat GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, a type of language model that can generate human-like text, by using it to create content for various applications. Here are a few ideas on how you can use Chat GPT to generate content and make money. 1. Chatbots. You can use Chat GPT to create chatbots that can engage in conversations with users, such as customer service bots or virtual assistants. These chatbots can be used by businesses to automate customer interactions, and you can charge a fee for creating and maintaining the chatbots. 2. Social media content. You can use Chat GPT to generate social media content, such as tweets, Facebook posts, or Instagram captions. You can sell this content to businesses or individuals looking for fresh, engaging content for their social media accounts. 3. Article writing. You can use Chat GPT to generate articles or blog posts on a variety of topics. You can sell these articles to websites or publications looking for high-quality, unique content. 4. Script writing. You can use Chat GPT to generate scripts for movies, TV shows, or other multimedia projects. You can sell these scripts to production companies or content creators looking for new ideas. To make money with Chat GPT, you will need to have a good understanding of the technology and how to use it effectively to generate content. You may also need to invest in additional tools or resources, such as a chatbot platform or content management system. There are several potential long-term benefits of using Chat GPT in medical care. 1. Improved patient care. Chat GPT can be used to analyze medical records and provide personalized recommendations for patient care, such as treatment plans or medication regimens. This can help healthcare providers deliver more effective and efficient care, and can improve patient outcomes. 2. Enhanced diagnosis and treatment. Chat GPT can be trained on large amounts of medical data, and can learn to recognize patterns and trends in patient data that may not be apparent to humans. This can help healthcare providers make more accurate diagnoses and develop more effective treatment plans. 3. Increased efficiency. Chat GPT can help automate tasks such as data entry and analysis, which can save time and reduce the workload for healthcare providers. This can allow them to focus on more complex tasks, such as interacting with patients or performing diagnostic procedures. 4. Improved communication. Chat GPT can be used to generate patient reports and other documents, which can help healthcare providers communicate more effectively with patients and other members of the healthcare team. Overall, Chat GPT has the potential to significantly improve the efficiency, accuracy, and quality of medical care, and can help healthcare providers deliver more personalized and effective treatment to their patients.